Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Play internal testing releases easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Google Play internal testing releases, begin by opening the Google Play console on your browser. Sign in with the account that has access to your app. Navigate to the All Applications section from the left sidebar. Select the app for which you want to restore internal testing releases. Once on the app's overview page, find the testing section in the left navigation menu. Click on Internal Testing from the testing options available. In the Internal Testing section, you will see a list of your current testers and releases. If you've removed a release, look for the Release Dashboard button. Click on the Release Dashboard to access your previous Scroll down to view the release history for your app. Identify the release you want to restore from the list. Click on the specific release to view its details. In the release details, confirm that this is the correct version you want to restore. Now, look for the Manage Testers section to ensure your testers have access. If necessary, update the tester groups to include the users for the restored release. After confirming the tester groups, click the Save or Update button to apply changes. Next, navigate back to the Release Details page and look for the option to roll out the release again. Click on the Rollout to Internal Testing button to start the process of restoring the release. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the rollout process. Once the rollout is complete, your testers will receive access to the restored internal testing release. You are now finished restoring your Google Play internal testing releases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.